Welcome to African Digital Man. We hope that we are doing far well, and now we are going to discuss about the part of rabbit. There is some part of the rabbit, even you can know, or if you rearing rabbit, must know these parts to know if there is some part that is not um, working well. You can master it, and to know is very important. So the rabbits are mainly kept for meat and fur or hair. Their skin is also used in making soft forestry such as covers. And for now, we are going to show you some parts of a rabbit. If you rear it, must follow. Remember to subscribe to this channel where you will get the skills that will help you to learn a business in the ways of professional. That's why we are here to help you to work a business in in the way that will help you to be profitable in your future life. So we are going to start where you see there is a ear, and that there is ash, that I we follow the nose, and after the nose we there is chiscas. After chiscas we reach their own mouth. After the mouth there is the wrap. That the lap, that is the part that is under of the mouth. And you see that there is a cross. After that cross we see the chest. After the chest there is a foot. After the foot there is the elbow. After elbow there is a belly. After the belly there is a trees. After trees, there is a hawk. After hawk, there is a tail. After tail, there is a lamb. After lamb, there is three floor. That is three floor flowed by a shoulder. Those are some parts of a rabbit. If you like this channel, please make subscribe. This is the time for the entrepreneurship technology skills that you require to perform any business in the ways that you can create as the mind of increasing your income. So if you want to increase your income, please subscribe here, and where we get the entrepreneurship skills that will help you or to gain skills from entrepreneurship, and also in ICT. That is one channel that will facilitate you to know how you can use a laptop and your smartphone in the ways that you will help you to create some business. So if you like this channel, please subscribe. And if you need our training, we host it online, where you will find a time. We welcome you, and you can follow it online, and where you will get a certificate that show that you are capable to use laptop or technology in daily business activities. That's why we are here to help you to gain more knowledge and skills that will facilitate you to learn a business. So, see you again. Thank you so much for watching this. Make subscribe, please. Now, thank you so much.